Does anybody want to share yesterday about marketing? Oh, great. Angela. And then Patty.
When you talked about using the lead magnet to the video or event into the program, just a very simple way, really hit home. And I could immediately see where creating those open loops would go, and immediately could see then like how one leads to the other to bridge that gap. And I had so many notes, and my husband walked in the door and I'm like, let me tell you about this. Let me tell you about that. And so it was really good. So it was an answer to prayer.
Oh, that is so great, Angela. Thanks for sharing. Patty, tell us about your takeaway.
Well, the fast path to sign clients was like, that was such an eye opener because I never really thought about after the lead magnet, like what happens after that. Like, I never thought about it. Well, they're on my list now. So they'll get my newsletter or whatever. And then, we'll connect that way. And then having the highly converting video makes so much sense because I really feel like I can connect and really convey my message from a heartfelt space, and that they'll really get that warmth and that love that I want to convey. And then have them go to another video. And that's so easy to do, right? And that was just like, whoa, that's so powerful. That would be so powerful.